Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be going over a new mod for my Acura RDX. This is the new car on the channel. It's going to be a 2020 Acura RDX A-Spec. We already got our first mod for it. As you guys can see, the emblems are currently not on the car or on the side, which the A-Spec logo normally goes right there. Anyway, this car is pretty beautiful. We got the full red interior. Very, very nice and a very comfortable daily driver. And there we got my cat hanging as an air freshener. All right, so we got these new emblems wrapped in carbon fiber from a company called Deep Blue Chrome. And look how perfect these turned out. They are literally flawless. Definitely recommend you guys check them out. Thanks to Austin for sending these out for me. I sent these emblems to him. He wrapped them and retaped them perfectly. So here is the installation of the back one. Definitely love how the first one looks. Let's see how the rest turn out and install the A-Spec. Look at that A-Spec in the sun. We got red on the back and carbon on the front instead of chrome. Definitely think it looks so much better. Alright, so here's the install. After I took off the old emblems, you could kind of see where they were before. So we were kind of going off of the little leftover residue from the previous emblems and trying to line that up perfectly. Alright, here we go. We're going to be installing the RDX ones. And this one was kind of hard to see where it used to be, but we lined it up pretty good. And here is how it turned out on the back. Got the Acura, the RDX, SH all-wheel drive, and the A-Spec emblem on there. I think it looks really, really nice. Then we installed the A-Spec emblem on the side fender of the car, and those just look really, really good as well. Love the red on the inside and carbon on the out. Looks perfect. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks to Austin from Deep Blue Chrome for sending these emblems out. You guys can get any emblems for any car. So even if you guys have a GR86, like the car I made videos on in the past, and you guys can just send him your emblems, and he'll give you a quote for how much that's going to be. But I definitely recommend Austin to wrap your emblems. Check out his website in the description down below, deepbluechrome.com. Thanks again for watching the video, you guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.